Hello students, as you know I am your Sangita ma'am, maths teacher. I am sorry that I could not take your class for certain reason of these days. Now let's start class 1. First of all, today I will draw a figure on the board and you all will follow me. Please children, take out your maths notebook and follow me. Previous class we learned the shapes, solid shapes and plane shapes. We drawn also, but now today first you all take out your maths notebook and follow me. Count and write the shapes. Count and write the shapes. I will draw a figure. Please follow children. Draw a big rectangle. Then above the rectangle, draw 4 squares and middle of the rectangle draw a line. And here draw to another line to make a triangle. And below the rectangle, draw 4 circles. And above the squares, draw triangle 1. Okay, and draw to another rectangle over here. Now the question, how many triangles are there in this picture? How many triangles are there in this picture? Please children count how many triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write down over here 5. 5 triangle in this figure. How many circles in this figure? How many circles are there in this figure? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles in this figure. How many squares are there in this figure? How many squares are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 squares. And now, how many rectangles are there in this figure? How many rectangles are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a big rectangle. Then how many? 5 rectangles are there in this figure. Understood? Now we will proceed to another question. Please children, follow me. Draw this figure. Draw a square and then draw a triangle above the square, and inside the square draw 2 circles, and over here also draw another 2 circles, and then draw a rectangle over here, and then draw a little bit big square and draw to another rectangle. Now, your questions. Question number 1. How many triangles are there? How many triangles are there? Count how many triangle? 1. How many? Only 1 triangle in this figure. How many triangles are there? There are only 1 triangle in this figure. The next question, how many circles are there? How many circles are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles. Now the question number 3. How many rectangles are there? How many rectangles? Please count. This is a rectangle. This and this. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many rectangles are there? 7 rectangles. And the last question. How many squares are there? How many squares are there? Children, please count. This is a square and this is. Any more? No. Show how many? 2. Understood? In your exam, I will give this type of figure and I will give some questions to you and you have to answer. Okay, children? So today, this much. Now, meet we next class. See you next class. Thank you.